we get to some really cool things. Not that that wasn't cool. This is cool in a different way. This is the part of the program where we get to honor some folks who have done a tremendous amount for our, and I'll say my word, industry. Thank you, Eddie, and with our community industry. And there's next, these awards, the AAMS Public Service Awards, are sponsored by Air Methods Corporation in Englewood, Colorado. And Craig Yale would like to come forward to help me present these awards. The AAMS Public Service Award is presented to a legislator, government official, organization, or individual who has made significant contributions to the health, viability, or interests of the medical transport community. This year, we're presenting the award to two very distinguished people. First, Mr. Matt Rigsby from the Federal Aviation Administration. Come join us at the podium while I tell everybody about you. We'd like to first recognize Matt Rigsby from the FAA in recognition of his loyal participation in EMS committees and his many efforts in coordination between AAMS and the FAA on a lot of vital and important safety issues. Matt currently works for the Southwest Region FAA's Rotorcraft Director and Standards Staff Safety Management Group as an air safety investigator, and has responsibility for continued operational safety issues for rotorcraft operating in the United States. He is a licensed fixed-wing, instrument-rated, and rotary-wing pilot, as well as holding an airframe and power plant mechanic certificate. Matt is also the Aircraft Certification Group's representative on the FAA's Air Medical Task Force. To date, Matt has participated in 90 or more on-scene rotorcraft accident investigations both in the U.S. and abroad. Previous to coming to the FAA in 2002, Matt worked as an air safety investigator for Bell Helicopter Textron product line. And this is the really cool stuff, a system flight test safety engineer, flight test engineer on the MV-22 and CV-22, the Osprey, tilt rotor aircraft. Correct?
It's particularly enjoyable to be able to give us to Matt. I've had a chance to serve with him on some of his committees, and it is really inspiring to have a person of his talent and his ability to be able to evaluate what's going on, be part of our industry and part of our community. So Matt, thank you very much. Thank you. It's really an honor.
Our next Public Service Award is Representative Pete Sessions from Texas 32nd District. Representative Pete Sessions has been a great supporter of the Critical Care Transport Committee. He's also been a great resource to AAMS and our community industry. He's been the long-standing Republican co-chair of the Congressional Air Medical Caucus and has done much outreach to other members of Congress about the many important issues facing us and the challenges for our industry. We're proud to have Pete Sessions as a supporter of our industry. Representing him today is the Deputy Chief of Staff, Towner French, who we also saw yesterday. Greg.
Again, being involved with the government, part of our AAMS organization, I've had a chance to be able to see the power of what can happen when you have somebody like Representative Sessions that's helping support through the Congress. And that, particularly, we need to be able to get something on the Hill. And so, you know, very, very deserving of this. Again, Towner in particular, with his support, also the representative should be recognized because he's really the one that gets the rubber to meet the road.
First, thank you very, very much for this. I'm sorry Pete couldn't be up here to accept it himself, but we have a number of folks, industries down in the Dallas area. I know Bell, CareFlight, a number of other folks. I'm sorry, I'm not going to hit them all right now, but I just want to say briefly, your work is already paying dividends. We have heard, and Robin Estacchio from Dennis Cardoza's office, Congressman Cardoza is the co-chair along with my boss. We've already heard from offices you visited today. Those folks have been emailing us throughout the day, and we look forward to having them join the caucus and support us on your legislative initiatives. So thank you. We can't do this without you. You're the main reason to do it, and we want to be here to support you. But sometimes we need you to come up here and actually talk to folks and talk to your members of Congress, and you're doing a heck of a job. Appreciate it. So thank you very much.